Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a TikTok account using Facebook. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your TikTok. After that, what you want to do is click on login. After that, click on sign up and you'll see continue with Facebook. Just click it and accept all the terms and conditions, click continue and log into your Facebook. After that, click on allow all the cookies and enter your credentials and you'll be logged in with your Facebook. That's how you can make a TikTok account using Facebook. It's easy and simple. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.